Hi to all. Now we can see the execution of the ALP program in 8085 microprocessor kit for the program of division of two 8-bit numbers. So I am going to give the input hexacode values of an instruction. I am taking the address location, the starting address location as an 8000. I have given the hexacode value. Now I am giving the input value. As per the program, I have selected the input locations as 8050 and 8051. So for that, I am clicking the exam memory to give an input value. So here 04 I am giving first value, and next 02 I am giving, and then execute, go 8000 as usual, click execute, then exam memory 8050, and then we got at output 3. So we have given the output value to store in the 8053 location. So we got 02, 4 divided by 2, 02, and then we can click the another input value. We can check 8050, that is I am giving the highest bit value 4B, next 05, execute, go 8000, execute, reset, exam memory 8050. I am given the 4B value, 05 value, and the output value stored in 8053, that is 0F. And then we can try another bit also, another one. I am giving the input value at 8050, that is 23 and 05, and execute, go 8000, execute, reset, exam memory 8050, 23, 05, and then we got the output 07. Okay, I hope you all got understood clearly. Thank you.